Great detoxification gifts. If someone you know has been involved with detoxification for quite some time, then you may just have a suggestion for some great detoxification gifts for them. Instead of giving them gift certificates to the local movie theater or mall, chances are that they would relish over the fact at receiving gifts related to their healthy goals of detoxification. This idea will come to you all the more easier if you are involved with a detoxification diet yourself, but there definitely are specific products you can buy which will help your friend with their cleansing of the body. Here are some suggestions for great detoxification gifts for your family and friends who also undergo detox diets on a regular basis. 1. Gift certificates. These won't just be any type of gift certificates, but gift certificates that promote healthy detoxification diets. For example, a gift certificate to a local health food store that may be your friend's favorite would be a good idea. Nevertheless, though, you will want to make sure that the health food store you obtain the gift certificate from has essential detoxification ingredients and tools so that it will help the person who you buy for. One example of a health food store that gift certificates can be purchased for is GNC. The GNC Health Store contains very important detoxification ingredients and diet packages that certainly can be used. 2. Package of spices and herbs. Another great idea that you can use to please your family and friends, along with helping them detoxify their bodies, is a package of spices and herbs that you put together. Several examples of herbs that are very crucial to detoxification diets include ginger, cinnamon, garlic, parsley flakes, curry, cayenne pepper, along with various other herbs. The whole package of herbal remedies can be designed by you, but you may also be able to find some important herbal teas in health food stores that are perfect for the spices and herbs you are planning to give. All things considered, a package of spices and herbs do make a very good gift for someone who is enthusiastic about detoxification. 3. Fully prepared detox juices. Even though this may take some time to prepare, one suggestion for a detoxification gift that you can give is fresh fruit and vegetable detoxification juices that are already prepared. These are some of the most creative detoxification gifts to give because they can be made from your favorite detox recipes. When giving these gifts, though, they can either be given thawed or frozen. Frozen detoxification juices make great gifts because they can be used at a later date, but thawed ones will do just as well for gifts. All in all, there are always gifts that one can give for every occasion and every person. For detoxification enthusiasts, they are certain to enjoy any one of these gifts that were mentioned above, and if you are enthusiastic about detoxification too, then you can enjoy them as well.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.